Hey there, entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the latest business trends and insights. If you're looking to make some serious money in 2023, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to reveal the top 10 profitable business ideas that are set to skyrocket in the coming year. So, grab your pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. Segment 1. The rise of sustainable businesses. Our first promising business idea for 2023 is centered around sustainability. With climate change grabbing global attention, eco-friendly businesses are becoming hot investments. From renewable energy startups to zero-waste packaging companies, the opportunity to offer more sustainable alternatives is massive. Companies like EcoTech Solutions and Greener Future have already made waves in this sector, so hop on this green bandwagon. Segment 2. E-commerce and dropshipping dominance. Next on our list is the ever-growing world of e-commerce and dropshipping. With online shopping at an all-time high, starting an online store or becoming a dropshipper can be incredibly lucrative in 2023. As people continue to prefer the convenience of shopping from home, businesses like Prosper Online Store and DropSmart are cashing in big time. Segment 3. Niche subscription box services. Subscription box services have gained immense popularity in recent years and are expected to continue their upward trajectory in 2023. Starting a subscription box business catering to specific niches, such as beauty, pet care, or fitness, gives you a great opportunity to target a passionate audience. Companies like Beauty Box Delights and Possum Treats are already making waves in the subscription box industry, making it the perfect time to pounce on this trend. Segment 4. Virtual reality experiences and technology. Virtual reality, VR, has been making waves, and the demand for immersive experiences is only growing stronger. Investing in virtual reality technology, creating VR games, or offering virtual tours can be highly profitable in 2023. Companies like VR World and Tech Visions are paving the way in the virtual reality industry, so consider diving into this exciting field. Segment 5. Health and wellness tech. As people become more health conscious, the health and wellness tech industry is booming. Starting a business that combines technology with wellness, such as fitness wearables or personalized nutrition apps, can be incredibly profitable in 2023. Just take a look at companies like EcoTech Solutions and Nutri Health, who are reaping the benefits of this growing market. Segment 6. Online education and skill development. With the continued rise of remote work and the need to upskill, online education platforms and skill development businesses are in high demand. Providing online courses, certification programs, or skill development workshops can be highly profitable in 2023. Just look at industry leaders like EDU Minds and Skill Pro for inspiration. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 profitable business ideas for 2023. From sustainable ventures to virtual reality experiences and everything in between, these business ideas are poised for success. Remember, entrepreneurship is all about seizing opportunities, so pick the idea that resonates with you the most, and let your creativity and dedication take you to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and insights.